when we write Arabic in Photoshop. Okay, as you can see, to fix this problem, simply go. Hello everyone, how to fix write Arabic in the right way on Photoshop. Hello everyone, how are you? Today I want to teach you in this tutorial how we can write Arabic on Photoshop in the right way. Simply, as you can see here guys, we cannot write Arabic in the right way. So to fix this problem, simply go to edit. Okay guys, to fix this problem, simply go to edit, preferences, type. Okay, here guys, in this option, select the second one, Middle Eastern and South Asian. Okay, then close or restart your Photoshop. Okay, let's open again. Okay, now I will try to type again. Okay, Photoshop. As you can see, now we write in the right way the Arabic text. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.